What's up everybody, it's Tiana and I'm back with another video. First off, excuse the mess. I'm having a self-care day, deep conditioned, all that jazz. But look at these curls and I have absolutely no product in my hair. I'm having a lazy at-home self-care day, chilling in the house. So my hair is a mess, whatever, but it's clean, it's conditioned, and yeah. Anyways, it's just gonna be a video showing you guys what I do when I do my DIY at-home eyelash extensions. I used to do them all the time and then I decided to give myself a break just to let my real eyelashes breathe for a minute and get healthy and strong. I probably have not done my lashes in about 5+ months. So I decided today I was gonna put on some lashes. First off, I am not a professional.
Well, obviously.
Second off, I am not telling you to go and do this, so at your own risk. I'm just showing you what I do because I like to do my own eyelash extensions at home. Number 3, I am not saying this is the proper and the professional way to do it. So the process that I use, the technique that I use, it's just what I do. I'm not saying that that is the right way to do it. I'm not telling you to go and do it. But if you're curious as to how I achieve my eyelash extension look and how I go from this to this, you can keep on watching. And with all that being said, if you are a professional, if this is what you do for a living, you apply eyelash extensions professionally, please do not come for me in my comment section because I already warned y'all I'm not professional. I'm not saying that this is the right way. If you already are feeling triggered with watching me do this at home on my lashes, just go ahead and turn the video off because I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it. I don't. And let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with one of my eyes already done so you guys can kind of see how it looks before and after. And I don't fill them in too much. I don't like where it's so full that it looks so drastic. I like mine to be a little bit thinner and to look more on the natural side. The eyelash extensions I'll be using, I just ordered these off of Amazon and I'll leave that link down below. And the curl type on these lashes are DD. I believe it's one of the curlier patterns that you can get in lash extensions. These are a mixture of different lengths, so it starts at 15 millimeters and it will go through 20 millimeters being the longest. The eyelash glue that I'll be using is the Duo Individual Lash Adhesive in the color Dark. And then I'll be using a tweezer to apply the eyelash extensions, preferably one with a sharper, pointier tip. It'll just help gripping the eyelash and applying it a lot smoother. And you'll want to have something to put your eyelash glue on. I just use the case of the eyelash extensions. I just work with one lash at a time. Beginning when I first started to do this, I would grab about 2 or 3 lashes at a time and apply it that way. I just find that it does not look as natural and it kind of clumps together in the end. So I just work with one lash at a time and I dip it slightly in the glue. You do not need a lot of glue. A little bit goes a long way and you don't want it to end up getting all clumped up on your lashes anyways. And then you can just start applying one by one. I will lift my eyelid up and then I apply it underneath my eyelash line. I don't apply it right on my skin. I actually try to stick it on an eyelash. So I just keep following these steps one by one. And it's very important, as you can see right there, after I applied it, I kind of lift it up into place where I want it to set and dry. It is very important once you apply an eyelash, you do want to make sure that one falls straight and it is lifted up, because if it dries at an angle or it doesn't fall straight, it's gonna obviously set that way and it's not going to look the best. So just make sure everything is lifted up into place and it is straight how you like it. You can see I'm applying the lash extensions all spaced out. I found that when I first did this, I did them right after each other and they just didn't look the best. They didn't look as natural. I find when I space them out and then make them fuller that way, it just all flows together way more naturally. And you'll just want to keep applying the lashes one by one until you achieve your desired thickness. Again, I don't like to apply the lashes too full personally on myself. I do not like that drastic eyelash extension look. I like mine to fall more on the natural side. So once I achieve my desired thickness, I just take a spoolie brush and brush them into place. And that duo lash glue definitely works. It's very strong. So once it dries and everything is into place, you can go ahead and take that spoolie brush and brush them out without worrying about anything shedding. And these were my results of my at-home eyelash extensions. Again, I will leave all of my products that I used down below, the lash extensions from Amazon and as well as the eyelash glue. You can just pick that up at Sally's. But hope you guys liked this. It was a quick little how-to video. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to subscribe, beauties. Bye!